So I'm going to harvest some more of this corn for dinner tonight. Made a nice brisket. It's going to go well with it. And I'm going to try and get these plants cleared out of here in the next day or two so that I can get some more Everglades tomatoes out here on this back fence area. Oh, that one didn't grow very well. Let's see. It's a nice one. Should have brought the clippers out here to do this. There we go. So this is what we ended up getting out of that. Not too bad. I opened up a couple of them. They're looking okay. You can see that they didn't get pollinated super well, so they got quite a bit of bareness on the tip. They were a little dry, so I probably could have given them a little more water and picked them just a couple days sooner. Now this one, you can see the pollination is definitely spotty. I did not do well with that one. Last year I was really consistent with my hand pollinating, so I guess this year it's just been hot and I've been in a hurry.